If you're looking for a larger new construction home in the heart of Frisco, then you are in the right place. The Grove is a 735-acre community located at the intersections of Main and Custer. The community itself has over 75 acres of open space, over 8 miles of walking trails. There are 2 resort-style pools, a splash pad, a fitness center, and a community center, which is right here where this pool is, and the community center itself also even features a cafe and a bakery. Today I am coming to you from Phase 10, which is the last phase of the current Grove development to be built before the expansion on the north side of Main Street. If you're not familiar with the Grove, I invite you to check out the video community tour I did previously. I have a link to that in the description directly below. Now here in Phase 10, there are actually 2 different lot sizes. There is a 65-foot wide lot, which is being built on by American Legend Homes, and then you have a 74-foot wide lot, which are the lots directly behind me, which are being built by Highland Homes. In this video, I'm going to be providing you details and information about the floor plans that Highland Homes are going to be building. So let's get into that right now. Hi, this is Andrew with the Andrew Smith team, eXp Realty here in Frisco, Texas. Now, before I start providing you information about the Highland Homes, if you would like additional information about the homes that American Legend are building, I did do a video that featured more of those plans and floor plans. You can find a link to that video right here or in the description below. Now, one thing I would like to point out is that the Highland Homes here in Phase 10 are all going to be oriented either north or south facing. They will not have any east or west facing lots. Now, if that is something that you're interested in, American Legend do have plans that face all different directions, so please feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to provide you additional information on those homes. There are going to be a total of 18 different floor plans that Highland Homes are going to be offering. 7 of the 18 floor plans that Highland are going to be building here are going to be single-story homes. They're going to range in size from 3,104 to 3,646 square feet of living space. They're all going to have 4 bedrooms, at least 3 baths. There are options for a couple of half baths in addition, as well as options for extended outdoor patios. There are going to be studies in all of the plans. There's options for media rooms. All of the homes also have a 3-car garage, and a couple of the models even have an option for a 4-car garage. Now, the other 11 floor plans are all 2-story homes. They are going to range in size from 3,786 to 4,921 square feet. Now, those homes are all going to offer between 4 and 6 bedrooms, and they also offer up to 6 full baths, in addition to 2 or 3 half baths. Now, that's a lot of bathrooms to clean, but if you need that much space, they definitely have it. Now, in the 2-story homes, you're going to have a few more room options than you do, obviously, in the smaller single-story homes. So in addition to media rooms, you're also going to get game rooms. They've also got what they call a lifestyle room. There's also studies in all of the plans, and one of them even has a card room. So there are plenty of different options and structural upgrades available to make these homes completely your own. And just like with the single-story homes, these floor plans also all come with a 3-car garage. So what is it going to cost to buy one of these Highland Homes? Pricing is obviously subject to change, but as of this recording, the base price of these floor plans will be from $1.26 to $1.468 million. For the latest pricing information and to confirm availability, I invite you to reach out. You can call or text the number on your screen right now, or alternatively, in the description below, you're going to find a link to my calendar. I invite you to go ahead and book a call. I'd love to learn more about what it is that you're looking for, and then be able to match you and your family with the builder and the community that best suits your needs. Now, don't go anywhere, as I know you're going to enjoy one of these videos coming up next.